Hey there, Lafayette teens. Mr. Ben here with this season's Teen LibCrate unboxing video. This season's theme is acclaimed anthologies. Let's get into it. As always, you're gonna get one of our library books. Remember, you just have to return the box and the book. Summer's over and the days are getting shorter, but we got you covered with this book light. You can read your own anthology, especially the spooky ones, in the dark. You'll get the link to our Spotify playlist of storytelling tunes. As always, our library newsletter. Make sure and sign up for our limited time library card. As always, you'll get a snack. More recommended reading for when you're done with the book we give you.
Yay! Okay, I'm gonna do the craft for you. What we're sending with you is instructions and ingredients. You're gonna create your own favorite origami shape with this paper from a DIY video. Then you're gonna take that origami shape and you're gonna set it off to the side while you wait. You're gonna take this nice bag of borax that we're sending you with, and you're going to boil some water in a pot and add your borax. So in a glass or porcelain container, we use mason jars. You can put that water and then you put your origami shape and you set it aside for 24 or 48 hours, and then you get this cool something. We did a crane and it kind of looks like this neat dragon. You need to let it dry fully after. We have this awesome crystallized shape. It looks like a geode. What happens is that borax is originally a crystalline structure, and when you create that super solution, you give it something to stick back to into the shape, and that's how we get these crystals. Make sure you do not eat it. That's so important. Don't let your dog chew on this either, because borax is also used to kill bugs. So I'm sure it's not good for your pets either.
Thanks, Ryan. Sign up for your fall 2023 LibCrate right now. Distribution starts September 11th. Thanks for reading with us.